What's up, online shoppers? I just got given the coolest new revolutionary cookware. This is a HexClad frying pan endorsed by the one and only Gordon Ramsay. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Now, for starters, they have an amazing warranty program. Take a look at that. This comes in your HexClad package and tells you how to get started. Now for the pan. Wow. This is truly awesome. This is the HexClad 10-inch frying pan with the separate purchase glass lid with the Stay Cool technology on the handle and an awesome vent for letting steam and heat out of the frying pan while you're cooking up a storm. Now this is the lid. The lid is really pretty cool. The handle is very nicely designed. What I love about it is I can actually get my whole hand on the handle and it's comfortable. I'm not trying to carefully pinch it with a couple fingers so that I don't burn myself. This steam hole right here, that's another unique selling feature, and I love that when my food is cooking, I can actually see inside to see how the contents are progressing. Now let's talk about the frying pan. This frying pan is awesome. This is the 10-inch pan, but they also make a 12-inch pan, they make a wok, they make a flat griddle, all with the hybrid HexClad technology. I'm gonna give you a close-up of this. So here is a close-up of the pan. You can just hear that this isn't a smooth surface, that it does have a texture to it. And that HexClad pattern is what makes this such an awesome pan. The way this pan works is the stainless steel forms hills on the surface of the pan. The non-stick aluminum is in the valleys. So you have this surface that is a hybrid blend of stainless steel, which does an amazing job of conducting heat, getting a good sear on your meat, getting a really good sizzle going in the pan, and the non-stick aluminum, which makes this dreamy to cook with. Now when I hold this pan, it has a really good weight to it. It's not so heavy that I can't hold it with one hand, and even with food in here, I know that I'm going to be able to manage this one-handed. Now another really cool thing about this pan is this great sloped curve on the side of the frying pan. I can just picture eggs and pancakes sliding right off this onto the plate, and that makes me happy. HexClad has a bunch of advantages to it. One, superior heat conduction. As I said before, nothing puts a sear on a piece of meat like stainless steel. And this has stainless steel, but with the added benefit of non-stick aluminum. That's pretty cool. This is heat resistant to 500 degrees Celsius in an oven. So you can go from stovetop to oven and bake things, which is another awesome feature to have in your cookware. This handle here is designed with Stay Cool technology as well as the lid. So when you're holding it, the heat is not conducted up the handle and you aren't going to burn yourself while you're holding onto your frying pan when it's being heated on your stovetop. This whole line of cookware can be used on virtually any stove. You can use it on a traditional gas range. You can use it on a traditional electric range. These work on halogen stoves, and also they work on induction stoves. These were designed with induction ranges in mind because there's actually in the middle here a magnetized layer of stainless steel so that this will activate the induction action on those stoves. Now, as I said before, the pan and the lid come separately when you buy them outside of the set. But when you buy the set of cookware, you do get the pans and the lids all together in one package. I am really excited to give this a try. They look like really nice pans. I'm intrigued by this hybrid technology, which is a blend of two excellent cooking materials, and I can't wait to see how it performs. I think this one is going to be a family favorite at my house.